Hello children, welcome back to the grammar class. Today in this video we will be studying about lesson number 24 words. Okay, so first topic of this lesson is alphabetical orders. Children, you all know what is alphabets, right? That is A to Z. Yes. So today we will learn how to arrange the words in the alphabetical order. So let us see these words first. See here pictures are given as well as the words are given. So first is bell, goat, rose, well and yak. Yes. So now children, when it is said that we have to arrange the words in alphabetical order, what we have to do is we have to see the first letter of the word, that is the first alphabet of the word. Now here as you can see, B is the first alphabet, here G is the first alphabet, here R is there, here W is there and here Y is there. Now what is alphabetical order? Children, it means that we have to arrange that according to the alphabets. Now A, the first letter is A, the first alphabet is A. Now here A is not there, so after A B comes. So now bell will be the first word which will be arranged in alphabetical order. Same way after B directly C D E F is not there, G is there, so next word will be goat. Then after G what comes? Yes, H I J K L M N O P Q R. Now here can you see directly R is there. So after bell, then goat, then rose, then well and then yak. Now these words are already arranged in alphabetical orders. The first letter of each of these words are in the order of the alphabets. Yes, so like that you have to arrange the words in the alphabetical order. Let us start with exercise number 1, and in this we have to look at the picture and we will read the words first and then we will try to arrange these words in the alphabetical order. Okay, so as you can see over here, the first picture is of jug, second picture is of parrot. In the next page other pictures are given. So here bun is there, apple is there, egg is there, duck is there, rain is there and pen is there. So 8 words are given, 8 pictures are given and we have to arrange these words in alphabetical order. Okay, so first of all what we will do, we will underline the first letter of each word. That is here J is there, here P is there, here B is there, here A is there, here E is there. Now in this duck D, rain R and here pen. Here children sun, picture of sun is given but the word is given pen. So let us stick with the word, we will not see the picture. Okay, so pen we will see. Now here space is given. First of all which letter comes? Which alphabet comes? A. So now we have A over here. Yes, so A for apple. Apple is the word. So first word we will write, that is apple. Okay. Now after A B comes, but here can you see B anywhere? Here J, P. Yes, we have bun also. After A B will be there. So bun is there. So we will write bun. After B children, C comes. So I think C is not there. Here jug and parrot is there. So C wala word is not there. So now next after C D comes. So D again you can see duck is there. So we can write D, duck over here. After D E comes. So you can see egg is there starting with the alphabet E. So we will write egg. After egg E F. F is not there. Yes. G is again I think not there. H is not there. I not there. J, yes, jug is there. So jug will be the next word. After jug, J, K. K is not there. L is not there. M not there. N not there. N is not there. O is not there. P for pen is there. Now here two words are there with P, that is PE and pen, and here you can see PARROT, parrot. So children, in case whenever the first letter is similar, I'll write the word over here. So parrot is there and pen is there. Now you can see the first letter is similar. Yes, first alphabet is similar. When in such case, what you have to do is you will see the next word, that is, here you can see A is there and here E is there. So which alphabet comes first? A comes. So we will write parrot over here first of all, and then we will write E wala word, that is pen. Okay, understood? Now after P only one word is left, that is rain. So after P R comes. Yes, PQ R. So rain will be the last word. So like this children, we can arrange the words in alphabetical orders. Okay. Now let us move further with this, how to arrange words in alphabetical order. You have learned to arrange words in alphabetical order according to the first letter of the word. What must be done if two